Hello again. Hello, Curiosity. Still a very exciting time on Mars. We're going to look at the rocks today. Previously, we added you onto the terrain, but we're quickly going to go over what we did in the previous lesson. Load the world. First thing, you load the world. Click on lessons. And we're going to look for terrain B. Use your arrow keys, the right arrow key, or use these here. And find terrain B. There it is. Terrain map B. Click on it and press play. In the previous lesson, we added Curiosity. We clicked escape, left clicked the object tool, click on the terrain, we added Rover. When we hovered on him, we changed the colour. We also changed Curiosity's size with right click, change size and make bigger by moving this slidey scale. We also added a rock in the last lesson. So click on the terrain, add a rock, and we added an unknown rock, which was a sedimentary rock. Left click. We also changed its size. As you can see, when you hover over it, you can select it. You right click, change its size, moving the slider. We're now going to add another type of rock, an unknown igneous rock. Left click, rock, unknown igneous rock, and again change size, hover over it and it glows. Right click, change size, and let's make it bigger. So now we're exactly the same place as we were in the last lesson. We've added Curiosity and 2 rocks. What we want Rover to do is to move, first of all, and then he's got to start scanning these rocks, putting a laser beam on these rocks and taking samples. Right click Rover, click Program, and we click the plus sign. When we touch the keyboard, we touch the arrows. What do? Curiosity will move. We'll make Curiosity move. Touch the keyboard arrow keys, Curiosity will move. This time we want Curiosity to give a beam, to get the dust off that rock. So when we touch the keyboard, click on the plus, we touch the keyboard. Now he's going to scan. He's going to scan a rock. So click the plus sign, and we're looking for the letter S. Here's letters here. Remember where the place is. It doesn't matter, you can't read, just remember where it is. Letters. And we're looking for S. Not all the letters are there, look. They go up to K or K. Some folks say kick and K. We want S all the way through, and here is S. Look at the letter S. because we're going to scan. Click Sir. So when we touch Sir, the letter S on the keyboard, we are going to scan. Here's Rover, and only Rover can scan. Click Rover, and here is the scan. There is scan. Click Scan. So when we touch the keyboard, we can scan. And it should reveal what sort of rock it is. Let's try it. Press the escape key, press play, and let's go up to a rock. Press the S key, and as you can see, it scanned the rock, and you can now see it's a sedimentary rock. It's got layers. It's a sedimentary rock. Let's go to the other rock. There it is over there. Over you go. Press the S. Let's scan it. Get the dust off it. And yes, that's an igneous rock. A rock made from molten magma or lava. Wow, how fantastic. Press escape. So now we have scanned, Rover has scanned the rocks. We now want Curiosity to put a laser beam on the rocks. So we're going to program Rover. Select the object tool. Remember, if you want to program them, tell them what to do. Select the object tool, right click and program. This time, when we touch the keyboard, and what key do we want to press? Well, we're going to send out a laser beam. A laser beam. So we want the letter L. Letter L. Letters. Goes up to K, so the next letter is L. Select L. So when the keyboard, letter L is pressed, Curiosity is going to laser beam the rock. Here's Rover. Curiosity Rover is going to laser beam. Here's the laser beam sign. Look very carefully. That's the laser beam. Click on it. So when you press the L, Curiosity is going to send a laser beam. Finally, we want Curiosity to drill a piece of rock so we can analyse it on board. He can scoop it up the sample and analyse it on board. When we press the keyboard, and this time we want to drill it. We have to drill it to get a sample. Click on the letters and look for the letter D, D, because we're going to drill to take a sample. So when we watch D or D, what are we going to do? Rover is going to take a sample. He's going to inspect a sample. And can you see a picture of a drill? He's going to inspect it. Click on it. Wow. Let's see if it works. Press escape. Press play. Now remember, Rover is going to go up to the first rock. He's going to scan it to see if it's a sedimentary or an igneous. Scan it. Oh, it's sedimentary. How about drilling it now to take a sample? Press D for drill. Can you hear that drill? Wow, fantastic. Let's go over to the next rock. Let's scan it. Scan it then, Curiosity. What is it? Oh, it's an igneous. So, shall we drill this one? No, I think we will laser this one. So let's laser beam it. Hit the L for laser. Can you hear that laser beam? You've just lasered the rock. Fantastic. You now need to save the second tutorial. Click the home button. Save my world. Remember, click here, put your name. Put your name so you know it's yours. And then exactly what you did. Well, we lasered. We used the laser. And we also drilled and save it so that it makes sense. And save.